Hey YouTube, what's up? After missing UPS the other day, this video is going to be a day late, but here are the new AirPods 2. I resisted buying the AirPods 1 because I have a rule. From now on, I will never buy a first generation Apple product. I will always wait at least one generation. I had the original Apple Watch and turned it in for the Series 4. Original Apple Watch was awful, and that's where the rule came from. Anyway, enough about that. Let's cut open the new AirPods 2. First, I gotta figure out how to open this stupid thing. There we go. Alright, there it is. New Apple AirPods 2. The packaging looks very similar to the first generation, like a lot of people have said. And let's take the saran wrap off. Let's see here, just gotta cut it a little bit. There we go. All done with the knife now. And there we go. And let's see, they kind of just slide out here like that. And there's... Whoop. Oops. That was bad. And inside here they come with a lightning cable. No block though. You can plug it into your blocks you got anyway. So the packaging's kind of out of the way there. Kind of open up this cable a little bit. So now we got the cable good to go. But these also charge wirelessly. I have a wireless charging pad here. So I'm going to take the plastic off here. And let's see, there's a green LED indicator on the front here, which is new. It used to be on the inside of the AirPods, and if you flip the case open, this is the cleanest these will ever be, I'm sure. Let's see what it looks like when you put it on the wireless charger. Boom, it's charging. You get a little orange indicator light that I'm told turns green when it's done charging. So yeah, there's that. Let me get my phone out here. And if I put it next to the AirPods, I have the iPhone XS Max. If you put it next to the AirPods, oh, I think you gotta hit the little button on the back here. Right? Let's see. I'm not getting any signs of life.
And I looked over here, and here came Abby and her mom, and started visiting with you right here in this spot.
I think they have a little bit of charge. They should anyway.
And here, less than 6 months later, we get married.
Huh. Well, I'm clearly not doing something right.
I think you had interest instantly, and she did. And
Let me go to my Bluetooth settings here.
About 20 minutes, the wedding's gonna get started, and within.
Ah, there they are. They showed up in the Bluetooth list.
Start a new journey.
I love Abby. She is so sweet, and I know she is just the perfect balance in John's life.
Connected. All right.
Together.
Not connected.
She just loves John, and they are going to make a great couple. And she's going to
Connected. All right. Well, it's supposed to just come up on the screen. Oh, there it goes. All right, cool. So when you connect them and open the top, you get this little indicator here that tells you the battery status of each individual AirPod and of the charging case. So right now my charging case is 79% and the actual AirPods are charging in the case and they are at 70%. I'm told 15 minutes of charge time gets you another 4 hours of playback. The new AirPods have 3 hours of talk time during a call, which is new. Last year's were only 2. And the music playback is supposed to be the same, but I'm wondering if it won't last longer just because of the improved battery life for talk time. They have Hey Siri functionality, and no noise canceling like we were expecting, so that was interesting. Let me see here. This one's the right, this one's the left. They fit my ears pretty good. If I shake my head, they stay in. I've seen YouTube reviews where they fall right out for some people, so it totally depends on the cut of your ear. Let me play some music and I'll tell you how they sound. I've used wired AirPods before, or earpods, so I kind of have an idea of what these should sound like. Let's see here. Play some Jay-Z. It sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound as good as my Beats over-the-ear earphones, but they're really good, and they're wireless, and they stay in my ear. So far I like them. Maybe in the future I'll do a video to follow up on how they've been going after a couple days or a week. Click right here to subscribe. Here's a couple videos you might like right there, and consider donating to my Patreon account right here. Thanks a lot.